In 2020, lawyers have just billed 2.5 hours out of a full working day on average in the US. That's an utilization rate of just 30%. Why is it that low? There are two important reasons. Either lawyers are just not getting enough clients to actually fill up their day with work, or they're struggling with inefficiencies in their systems that distract them from billable work. Now, well set up and optimized IT systems can help fix both of these issues. And in this video, I will present to you the 5 best legal automation tools for attorneys and law firms. Let's get going. Hey there, my name is Martin, and I'm the founder at Automation for Lawyers, a consulting agency that helps solo practitioners and law firms to streamline their workflows and close more cases with automation. Now, if you'd like to learn more about automation and about the tools that we're going to talk about in this video, feel free to sign up for our free 5-day on-demand crash course where we'll cover in detail each one of these tools. Sign up with the link below. You can also find it in the description. And now, let's get into the video. Each of the tools that I'm going to cover in this video is not better than the other, but rather they're split into different categories, depending on their use case. We'll first talk about online intake forms, then see how you can optimize your sales process and manage your cases. I'll also show you a great software for office administration, and finally an automation platform that will help you connect all the software that you are using in one central place. For each one of the tools, I'll give a quick overview of what it does, some of the features that differentiate it from the competition in the same category, and finally we'll have a look at its pricing. And the first tool that we're going to talk about will be JotForm, with which you'll be able to build online intake forms with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. Now, you'll be able to customize each of the field types, for example, for collecting phone numbers, emails, or dates. You'll also be able to collect online secure payments from your clients and to connect the form with more than 100 applications directly out of the box. Now, there are 3 important reasons why I believe that JotForm is better than the competition in this category. The first one is that it is extremely popular, which means you'll be able to find tons of resources to help you out during the build of your forms. It also means that JotForm has more than 10,000 templates to get you started in the quickest way possible. And the second reason is the number of features that JotForm provides. You have features such as pre-filled forms to send to your clients, approval workflow so that they can collaborate more easily with your colleagues, importing and exporting forms as PDF, and now even building mobile apps with your forms integrated directly from JotForm. And last but not least, it is more competitively priced compared to other softwares on the market. Let's now look at pricing. The pricing starts with the free plan, where you'll be able to test out the fully functioning software with a maximum of 5 forms and 100 monthly submissions. As you scale up, you'll be able to get more forms and also more monthly submissions. In any of the paid plans, you'll also have the ability to remove any of the JotForm branding, and in some of them, make your software HIPAA compliant. The first paid plan starts at $24 per month if paid annually, and the highest one, Gold, is at $79, giving you 100,000 monthly submissions. Next on our list, we have Pipedrive, a sales CRM. With this software, you'll be able to track the status of all your leads in a visual pipeline format. You'll also be able to use it as a central place for all the information that you get for your potential clients, and to automatically track data from other software that you are using. For example, to collect information about your online meetings, calls, and emails with your potential prospects. Another great feature of the software is that you'll be able to set up reminders to follow up with your clients. In that way, no opportunity will be lost. And yet again, there are 3 important reasons why I believe that Pipedrive is better than the competition. First of all, it is intuitive and very simple to use. That means that you'll be able to set it up more quickly and your colleagues will be able to adapt to the software much faster. Even a 5-year-old would find this software easy to use. The second reason is that although it is simple to use, it is also extremely flexible. You'll be able to define custom fields and store just the information that you need for your specific practice. And last but not least, it is cheaper than the alternatives, such as HubSpot or Salesforce, for which it is not uncommon to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars every month. The pricing of Pipedrive starts at just $12.50 per user per month if paid annually. With that, you'll get a simple version of the CRM with just the basic features. As you scale up to the advanced plan starting at $25 per month per user, you'll be able to have a feature such as email sync and calendar sync with, for example, Outlook or Google, and also you'll be able to set up workflow automations. Finally, as you go up to professional at $50 per month, you'll have even more advanced workflow automations and ability to create and sign digital documents directly from Pipedrive. Now, third on our list is a case management software, Clio. You have probably heard of it. With Clio, you'll be able to organize all the cases once you have already closed the client and started working on their legal problem. You'll be able to store all the information about the case, to generate documents from the templates that you have previously defined, to track the times that you or your colleagues spend on the case, and then last but not least, to automatically bill the client and give them the ability to pay online with a credit card or a transfer. Now, there are 2 reasons why I believe Clio is better than the competition. First of all, I think that Clio is much more innovative than their competitors. They are constantly releasing new features such as their redesigned payments platform directly integrated into their software, or the client portal with which you'll be able to securely communicate with your client through the mobile phone or a web interface. And the second reason is the number of integrations that it provides. It is extremely easy to set up integrations either directly from the software or with external tools such as Zapier or Integromat, which we'll talk about later, to make sure that all your systems are automated and the data flows seamlessly between each one of them. Now, it is important to mention that apart from Clio Manage, which is the product that we have been talking about here, Clio also has Clio Grow, which is their solution for a sales CRM. Now, I believe that Pipedrive is much better than Clio Grow at the moment, because at the moment Clio Grow does not really have an open API, which means that you can't really connect them with any of the external tools that you are using, and even Clio Manage. To actually pass data from Clio Grow to Clio Manage, you have to export it manually and then import it into Clio Manage. So at the moment, I don't see Clio Grow as a viable alternative, but maybe in the future, things may change. The pricing for Clio starts at $39 per user per month if billed annually, and with that you get all the basic features of the platform. As you go up to the boutique plan at $59, you'll get features such as custom fields, e-signatures, and integrations. The best plan, however, is Elite at $99 per user per month. With this, you'll get features such as advanced reporting, core calendaring rules, full text search, and priority support. Finally, there is the option for the Clio Suite, which also gives you access to Clio Grow, but as I explained earlier, I don't think Clio Grow is really worth it at the moment. Next up on the list, we have Airtable, an alternative of Google Sheets or Excel for your office administration. What Airtable provides is an online database in which you'll be able to store all the information that you like and to collaborate easily with your colleagues. The use cases of the software are limited by your imagination. You can use it to set up a simple sales CRM to manage your prospects, to track times that you spend on cases, or to simply track the supplies that you have in your office. It adapts to anything that you would need. Now, the benefits of using Airtable are threefold. First of all, it is very popular, which yet again means that there will be a lot of resources for you to learn and for your colleagues to get up to speed. It is also extremely simple to use and provides a lot of different options for you to view your data, such as viewing it as a gallery or a calendar, or in a simple table format as we are all used to in Google Sheets or Excel. And last but not least, it also has some advanced features such as inbuilt automations. For example, when a record is updated, send an automatic email, and integrates well with a number of different softwares. The pricing of Airtable starts at a free plan, which gives you unlimited databases but limits you to just 1,200 records per base. As you scale up to the Plus plan at $10 per user per month, you'll have the ability to store 5,000 records per base, have bigger attachments to the base, and also a 6-month revision history. Finally, on the most expensive plan at $20 per month, you'll get 50,000 records per base, bigger attachments, and also 1-year revision history. You'll also get more granular control over what fields different types of users can access and edit. And last on our list, we have Integromat, an automation platform that will help you connect all the different tools that you are using. Sometimes, for example, there may not be a built-in native integration for the apps that you want to connect. Say, for example, that you want to pass the information from Pipedrive when you close a client to Clio to store all the information and start working on the case. None of them provide a native integration between each other. So what do? You can use a service such as Integromat. You'll be able to connect the two of apps and to define a trigger when a Pipedrive deal reaches a specific stage. Let's say closed. And then Integromat will send the data to Clio and to create a new matter inside of the software. The biggest competitor of Integromat is Zapier. Now, there are 3 reasons why I believe that Integromat is better. First of all, it has more intuitive and faster user interface, which means that you'll be able to develop automations more efficiently. It also has some advanced features, such as routers or iterators, which are not available in Zapier and which will help you build more advanced workflows. And last but not least, it is more than 10 times cheaper to run compared to Zapier. The pricing for Integromat starts again at a free plan with 1,000 operations, and as you scale up to the basic plan at just $9 per month, you get 10,000 operations and more data transfer limits. As you scale up more, you get more operations and again, more data transfer limits, and also reduce the interval with which you'll be able to update your data. I hope that you've got tons of value out of this video. In case that you would like to learn more about automation and each one of these tools, sign up for a free 5-day on-demand crash course where we'll cover in more detail how to set up these tools and how to start automating your practice today. Also, feel free to check out our paid services on our website. We offer several options: hourly consulting with one of our automation experts, or custom projects where we discover your needs and build a custom project just for you. Now, also remember to like this video and subscribe if you want to keep updated on the new videos. Have an awesome day and thank you for watching.